Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing these two Aquaillumination Blade LED 21-inch Coral Grow lights. I currently am running the Coral Glow on the 60-gallon tank, and it's looking blue, it's looking really nice, making the coral pop, but this is going to add a nice white color and really complement everything in the reef. I also have this elevated tank rest that I'm going to be installing with these lights, and it's going to all look really nice and smooth and give full coverage of the tank. So let's get right to it. Here's a little start guide. Shows you how to hook it up. Some info in there. Here is the light. It's got two sections of light clusters, and it actually has this included leg right here, which is kind of short. Let's open this up. So here's these little legs that come with it. You can extend them a little bit, and they have a tad bit of height. Put it like this so we don't scratch any of the bulbs. Here is our power supply. And here is our elevated tank rest. That's going to give us a little more height. I just don't like it touching the glass and being that close to the surface. This is also going to help give a better spread. So these should be pretty simple. Should be able to just replace it with this one that's here. Make sure we get these off right. Alrighty. There is that. I like that. Let's do the other one as well. This one's a little tricky because it has the wire. Should be able to just do this. Bang. Alright, so let's put this thing over our tank and see how it looks. Alright, first things first, I have an old Prime HD light I'm going to be removing right here. It doesn't really work anymore. Believe it or not, it's actually not even a Prime HD, it's just a Prime D. That's how old school it is. Alright, there it is. Have these old clips from these lights I had mounted up here. I'm probably going to leave this one mounted here since I only have 3 pairs of legs. Let's see what that starts to look like. Here's our blade. already have on here. And just kind of put that right here, right in front of the overflow. Now these are the 21 inch right here, so they're a little bigger. Let me get rid of this feeder. I think I might put one all the way in the back. In my AI app, I'm going to hit this pump AI light. I'm going to add these lights. Updating them. Alright, as soon as the update completed, the lights just turned on. So let's see how it's looking. I named it Man Cave 2. And if we go to lighting, this is our schedule. And we can adjust this. You can see these are all at 60%. From 9 a.m. until about 6:20 p.m. Tank actually doesn't look too bad, but what I'd like to do is at around 11, create a point here. And then at 3 o'clock, create a point here. And over at this point, I'm probably going to keep the whites all the way at 0. And the same here. So that I have some blue in there. That's a good start for now. That just about does it for today, y'all. All the items used in this video are in the link description below, and be sure to stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be using an Apogee MQ510 par meter to test the intensity of this light in this tank. So we're going to be going through and checking out all the coral and their positions and see if they're positioned in the right place, getting the right amount of light. So really exciting stuff, and again, be sure to like and subscribe if you guys like this video so I can keep making this content. See y'all soon.